Hello, everyone. This is Arlene Klein. I am here with you today to give you a 2-minute mention. Today's 2-minute mention is with IFT. It stands for if this, then that. If you're familiar with Zapier, it is a free web-based version of it that it creates chains of simple conditional statements. It is also available as an app on your phone, which runs on iOS and Android. They have applets, and these applets are triggered by a change in a web service or an actual product. They have in your triggers are the this and the actions are the that. You can always choose from many that are already out there, hundreds and thousands of them that you can look up and just turn them on, and you can go ahead and use those, and it will just have to sign up possibly for your service so it knows to connect it that way. You can create your own new template yourself if you're familiar with what you have and know exactly what you want. You would just choose if this, then it will bring up, let's say if you did something on Twitter and what did you want it to do, which, let's say, new link by me, then that, and that being send me an email, post it in Evernote, and so on. And then here will ask you to connect. Another great feature is that it controls and has a listing of your activity. So if you needed to check your activity and make sure that something was posted, you can have it send it directly to you. The prime benefits I wanted to touch base with today is that you can post something. For instance, I use it for posting on Instagram, and then it will then go ahead and connect to several other social networks and post for me automatically. You already have these applications out there that you're using. This is just a way of combining it all together so that you can save yourself some time and maybe do one or two actions, and it can do multiple, if not hundreds of actions for you based on what you're looking for. So if you have any questions, let me know. I would love to be able to help you with this application. And I hope this 2-minute mention is something you can use. Have a great day.